In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change review policies in Google Antigravity IDE. So first, of course, launch the Antigravity application. The next at the top is click on Settings or the gear icon. Then select Open Antigravity User Settings. So once the window opens up, make sure that you are in the Agent tab. And here, navigate to the Artifact section. So under it, you'll see the Review Policy setting. So here, as you can see, there are three options available for you to choose. First is Always Proceeds. So as you can see, Agent never asks for review with this setting. Next is agent decides. So basically, the agent will decide when to ask for review based on task complexity and user preference. And last is ask for review. So with this setting, the agent always asks for review. All you have to do is click on the drop-down menu and select from the options according to your preference. And that's it. So thank you for watching this video and see you again on the next one.